Come, great run.
It would be nice if they could signal whether it's gone over or not.
Yeah. I didn't even see that kick. Was it close, or did it look like it had the right shape to it?
Shaped like it was over. They'll make decisions from here because we can't see.
Alexander, come on, keep them going. You lost count there, Tom. Guys, face up. Come, why are you walking? Get your forwards in position. Come on, the bridge.
So if we get the backs organised, are they still celebrating? Petal's having a good run there. Good run, good run, good run.